It's really important to have your spare tire checked for pressure. This one should be 60 pounds and it was under 10 pounds. It had been sitting in the back of the trunk since 2012 and had never been checked. So it's really important if you go to get tires checked or changed or whatever, that they actually check the spare tire to make sure that there's pressure in the spare. The other thing is it's almost impossible to get the lug nuts off with the stock wrench that comes with it. So I would go ahead and have some spare wrench that has a full length handle on it so you can take these lugs off when needed. That's one of the things that can cause a problem when you get on the road, and you don't want to get stuck on the road not being able to get the original stock tires off. Anyway, I thought I'd mention that, and that is the tip of the day. Make sure you check these spares. Have a great weekend. Bye.